But yeah, I'll show you just so hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and for this video today is I'll show you how you use the dehumidifier. Actually, this is good for the not in the bathroom, I mean in the room or the wardrobe or any space except the bathroom, because it won't work. So this is moisture absorbent and molds as well, as you can see guys. See this here. And it will last for 2 months. So actually this here, it's you just remove the aluminum foil and then ito na yung hitsura after. So this is white sheets here is don't fold it, or don't remove, or don't inigisi-gisi or tear it. And so this is the looks in mga 280 grams siya guys. And then this one guys, yung itapon nyo na, you can put in the recycle bin. And this is ready to go. So this is it. Ayan. So ideal for caravans, boats, under the sink, wardrobe, or shed, or bookshelves. So it's for like molds as well guys. Kasi if you are living in a tropical place, so this is it. This is the one of the solution na you can put around the house, and you can buy this in the shop. Actually this one we bought it from Silisoli, and yeah, you can get this one guys. Ayan. So yeah, this is my review, and actually it will be our first time using it here in the house since it's a brand new house, but we're trying to avoid molds as well. You know, molds is bad and it can kill you, and it's not good for your lungs. So this is you're gonna get guys, humidifier guys. So ayan, so ito lang ating video for today. And here, so after, like I said, after you remove the aluminum foil, you just leave it, the white sheets here, and you cover it again this one and leave it here. So here I put it here in the kitchen area namin. So as you can see the stove there, and so it will stay there, and it will last, it says, up to 2 months to 3 months. So yeah, and then the next few weeks we'll see if may mga ano na dito guys, water sa bottom, it will tell me here. So ayan. So this one, the extra, the number 2 humidifier is I put here in the wardrobe guys, and I close the wardrobe, and yeah, we'll see it next few weeks. Ayan, so I'll put it here in the wardrobe. Also guys, this one is very affordable. It's around $5 to $2. It depends on the size, and this one is the small only. But yeah, this is very affordable, but you can get in the shop like Silisoli or mga reject shop if you were here in Australia, or I think you can buy this in supermarket too, like Woolies or Kohl's. And in Philippines, I think you can buy in the supermarket as well, or in the online guys like Lazada, Shopee, you know. And it's around, I think it's around 80 peso or 90 peso for each one of these. So yeah, ayan siya guys, itong ating vlog for today. It's just my review and how you use